Okay, we have part 2 of this trip to Orlando. The meetup that was at has concluded, and I'm now checked into Disney's Coronado Springs Resort in a tower room. Let's go check it out. First thing you see when you open the door is this amazing view. You can see Hollywood Studios, the spires of Batu, and the Galaxy's Edge off in the distance. There's the Swan and Dolphin Resort and the new Swan Reserve. And way off in the distance there, you can see Spaceship Earth, the Epcot golf ball. And closer in, there's a nice little lake, a parking lot. On the other side of the tower, you get a view of the other lakes that are part of this resort. I prefer this one, right? Because at night you can also see the fireworks from both Epcot. And if you look real far, well, if you go down that end of the hall, you can see Magic Kingdom is just right around there. And used to be when Hollywood Studios did fireworks at night, you could see them from here too. All right, let's check out the room. I have a king room instead of the 2 queen. I like it because it gives a lot more floor space. There's a sofa. I think that's a fold out. That will sleep 2, small people. No, it's just a regular sofa and a chair with a little table. Both sides of the bed have nightstands. And in the lamps are USB connections. Sometimes those work well, sometimes they don't. They're usually okay for small devices, but if you have a large tablet, not so much. And on the TV, when you check in, they give you a greeting. And plenty of dresser space for all your belongings. For coffee, they have a nice brand new Keurig. I have a story about the Keurig coffee maker at my previous resort. I have a not so grand review there. That'll come later. And a little beverage cooler fridge. Oh, they actually have a sticker on there that says it cools to 41 degrees. So keep that in mind if you ever come here and you need to keep something at a cooler temperature. Nice little space to sit, take off your shoes, and store other items. And a big closet. They have extra pillow and blanket if you need it. Ironing board, somewhere there's an iron, I think it's in there. Yep, there it is. A room safe, if you have valuables you want to lock up. Because room theft is not unknown. And full-length mirrors. I'm not a fan of full-length mirrors. A little too fluffy now. All right, this is the bathroom. It's kind of an odd setup. I've got the shower and the vanity space open to each other with the toilet separate. There's a pocket door there. Dual vanity, which is nice when 2 people can be getting ready together. Yes, it's Halloween. I'm wearing my Halloween shirt. They have some amenities here. Bad news, fans of Disney's amenities. These are going away. A little bar of soap. And then they have the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner in the large bottles on the wall. A tip for parents of small children that stay here, what a lot of people will do is get a little mini pool, inflatable, and use that in the floor of the shower to bathe the little toddlers and babies. They do a good job of stocking. Again, an oddity, they've put the towels in where the toilet is, so you gotta be sure to not forget to move the towels before you hop into the shower. All right, so that's the basic overview of the Coronado Springs Standard View Tower King room. It really is like a deluxe room, the Disney deluxe room, but at a moderate price. Okay, I'm gonna get out and start playing in the parks. Happy Halloween.